bad guys come and trying to attack the ship. Just tell me and I'll hit the fire button and force field.
Where's your ship?
We're in it.
Okay. Who are you playing right now?
I'm playing bow.
Bow? Bow and arrow?
Yeah. And this is my sword.
Okay. And what's on your other hip?
This is my communicator.
Great. Who are you communicating with?
Well, I don't communicate with lots of people.
Okay. Why not?
Because we all get separated and I communicate. Each one I only have 2 more soldiers left because every battle some get dead.
Oh, that's sad. Okay. Well, good luck.